So as we kick off this new year, this is the perfect time for you to start making money online. Now, why is that? Well, it's because this time of year, people are actively searching for ways to improve their lives. They may have made some New Year's resolutions, but what a lot of people are thinking is, how do I improve things this year compared to last? And that's why there's an uptrend in searches for how to make money online. So if you imagine right now is the best time to be in the make money online industry, what about if you don't have anything to give in that industry yourself because you've not started yet? And we all start somewhere, obviously, but the fact of the matter is, if you don't have a system in place to capture some of that traffic, then you're not going to get any of the results. You won't reap the benefits of this surge in interest at this time of year, which is why I've decided to extend this ridiculous offer that I've got for Commissionable. You can get 72% off right now on my Commissionable coaching program and get in. Instead of paying $697, you're going to pay just $197. Now I want you to think, if you've not joined Commissionable yet, have you ever spent maybe a couple of $100s on various programs to try to discover how to make money online? And if you have, did you ever make any money online using them? Now, you may not have invested in anything yet, so this could be the very first time for you. And I would say, obviously I know it's my program, but I would say this is the best place for you to start. So here's the thing, right? I created my training programs because of the fact that I had fallen for the crap that's out there. So going back to when I started all of this, I was 50, I was broke, and I was in a really bad place. And I was searching for ways to make money online, and I was buying these offers that were promising that you could make, a couple of $1,000s in a few days and that kind of thing. And I believed it. I had no reason at that time not to believe it, because I'd never done that before. I'd never been in that situation, never actually gone through and bought this stuff. And I applied what was in the training programs and it didn't work. I realized that the figures on the sales pages of the money that was being made was not from what the product taught, it was from the sale of that product itself. And that's when I thought, oh, that's just not right. That's wrong. So I decided that if I worked out a consistent way to make money online, I'd start to create my own training, genuine, honest training to help other people to do the same. And that's what I've gone on to do ever since I started. So I started when I was 50. I've done millions of dollars online now. I'm truly, truly grateful. Yes, I work extremely hard, but I don't mind that, because if you put the work in and you get the results back, it's worth it, isn't it? Now, I started when I was 50, so you don't have to be like young to do this, and you can certainly start older than when I started. There are no special skills that you need. There's no experience that you need. Just being you is all you need to do this. It's very, very simple. And in Commissionable, I show you exactly what to do from the very beginning all the way through to the end. Everything's included in there. Everything for complete newbies, complete beginners and intermediates and experts, I guess you could say. So if you've never done anything like it before, you can start at the beginning and work through in your own time. But what I did different in Commissionable was I decided to get as many assets as possible and put those into the members area for you to download, so that you don't have to second guess how to do things. And like, for example, one of the most powerful things in there is my review template. It's the very template with the very script that generated me over $8,000 on one single affiliate promotion on Warrior Plus. I give that to you. You literally just fill in the blanks. You change it for whatever promo you want to do, and you use that affiliate review template. That's part of the Commissionable asset bundle. I also give you a clone of my multi-million-dollar website so that you can upload that, and we give you full instructions on how to do that as well. And that's just two of the assets, and that's just part of the done for you element of Commissionable. Now, obviously I 100% endorse this program because it's mine, and I don't teach any old fanny. All right, I won't teach you stuff that doesn't work. I'll only teach you stuff that I do, that I know works, and that's what you get inside. Everything that didn't work didn't need to go in, and everything that has worked and continues to work is included in there, plus regular updates. So as things change, which they obviously are all the time now, especially with AI, then there'll be updates inside there, so you're always kept up to date. Now at this price, it really is a complete and utter no-brainer. The value that you get is insane. And that's good for me, from my point of view. That's brilliant, because I want to over-deliver. I want to give you a package where you look at that and you think, this is what I've been waiting for. Now, it sounds a bit cliche, but I'm going to say it. If only I'd have had this when I started out, but I didn't, you know, obviously because I've created this based on that experience. But that's okay, because you've got it. I'm going to hand it over to you. So this is like the equivalent of you being able to come and sit with me here in my studio in the UK and ask me how the business works and what you need to do to get started. It's as close to that as you can get. You just go through the videos. There's text in there, there are downloads in there. It's like multi-format. You just go through that training, follow it step by step at your own pace, and then start implementing it. Now, it is crucial that you take action. I like to say that it's a two-letter word, do, D-O. You just need to do. And if you do, then you'll get results. Now look, if you are young, you know, I don't know, you might be a teenager, you might be in your 20s, for example, this is fantastic for you. And if you're anywhere from there onwards, then this is also fantastic for you. This works for absolutely everybody. Absolutely everybody. There are no reasons why anybody can't make this work. And because it's an online business, the overheads are incredibly low. So for example, if you've got a laptop or a computer and you've got an internet connection, you've pretty much got everything you need to start. I'm a firm believer in not spending too much money, you know, especially when things are tight. So if you're looking to improve your situation and earn a bit more money, even maybe replace your job, sack your boss, all of that is possible. You can take this as far as you want to take it. Literally, there are no caps on how much you can earn, which is another thing that I think is wonderful about this business. I also love the fact that I can do it from anywhere in the world. So when I do go on holiday, for example, I went on holiday, I made $10,796 while sunning myself in Mallorca, and you know, that was just an amazing feeling, because I can do this anywhere. Can you imagine how good it feels to be making over $1,000 per day while you're on holiday, and you're literally, all you're doing is getting your laptop out. I literally would just get my laptop out in the morning and just do, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes worth of work, and then that's it. I spend the rest of the day with my family, you know, enjoying a holiday. It's an amazing feeling. I also made $1,700 while trimming my bush. I did a post on that a while back, and we were out in the garden here at our home, and I had the big trimmer thing, and I was trimming the bushes, and it was hard work, right? But I made like $1,700 while I was trimming my bush. It's amazing what you can do. But of course you can't do anything unless you get started, and now is the very, very best time to do that, especially by taking advantage of this special offer. So once you join, going forward, a lot of times people say to me, what are the costs? You know, once I join, what are the costs? Well, there aren't really any costs to begin with. You know, you'll start off as an affiliate, so you just need what you've got. You've got your laptop, your computer, that's it. I used a camera which was a 720p, I think it was a Logitech camera, webcam, very, very cheap, like 20 quid. I've still got it here somewhere in the office, and I used the microphone on that as well. That was it. I didn't spend a lot of money on fancy equipment. You don't have to. You want to keep your costs down as low as possible, and you can do that with this. The tools that we use are free to create digital products. If you go down the route and follow the training, you want to become a digital product creator and vendor and scale this up, it's free to create those. Free. And you can sell them for whatever you want. So to begin with, to kick things off, no, there are no extra costs. Yes, you can get an autoresponder later on if you want to. Yes, you can get a domain, especially if you want to use my done for you website, but you don't have to begin with. So literally just join, come in, get started, make money. Now, if you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. There's an email address below this video if you've got any questions that you'd like me to answer personally. But other than that, I would just say, you know, go for it now. Go for it, get started, and let's make some money. It'll be the best thing you ever did. And I'd just like to personally wish you a very happy, healthy, and wealthy new year. This really is the best time to start. So let's do it. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.